how to fix PrizePicks withdrawals not working. If your withdrawal is failing for some reason and then you want to fix that, we'll explore the options and how we can do that. But before we get started, do make sure to leave a like, hit the subscribe button down below, and without any further delay, let's get started with today's video. If your PrizePicks withdrawal is failing, there could be many reasons behind this. So some of the reasons is that if I go ahead and just simply open my browser and go to the withdrawal help center, here you can see why did your withdrawal request fail. So basically, PrizePicks actually has a one-time or 1x playthrough requirement, which means you need to play through all deposited funds once before withdrawing them. For example, if you deposit $25, you must submit and play through $25 worth of lineups before you can withdraw. Quite catchy? Yes, it is. And lineups must be submitted using credit funds, not promo funds, and in order to count toward your playthrough requirement. The other reason could be inaccurate bank account information, which could also cause withdrawal requests to fail. If this happens, your funds will be returned to your credit funds balance and you will be able to create a new withdrawal. Withdrawals can only be made using an approved payment method that you previously used to deposit funds into your PrizePicks account. Apple Pay, credit cards, and Discover debit cards may only be used for deposits and not withdrawals. Withdrawals also have a minimum amount of $10 and any smaller request will fail. Only one successful withdrawal is permitted during a 24-hour time frame. If your withdrawal request is processed at 2 p.m., you will not be able to make another request until 2:01 p.m. the following day. So these are some of the things that you have to keep in mind, and make sure you're following these rules, and that way you'll be able to fix your withdrawal failing on PrizePicks. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end, and see you soon in our next video.